What's up, guys? We're out here in front of the Rabbit again. Gonna do some more work on the engine bay. We got some grinding, some cut-off sawing to do, and we're gonna take off a lot of these useless brackets and bolts. As you can see, I've already removed the rain tray. I did film that. It's just not. I'm filming this intro late, so yeah. But let's dive right into it. Alright, so unfortunately I don't have any video clips of me pushing the car with the brakes squeaking, so I'll just go on ahead and insert some reruns. Alright, so my camera died while I was filming, but I finished up all the grinding. Even took a wire wheel to some of this. I still have some more wire wheeling to do to get some of this black tar off up here in the rain tray area, which I will get done. But that's what you guys missed, was a bunch of wire brushing again. I do have camera batteries on the way, so I'll quit having a dead camera repeatedly, so that problem's gonna get fixed as well. That was weird. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, give me a like and a subscribe if you could. And feel free to ask any questions in the comment section.